We just got our last piece of ceiling put in. Come along with us and watch how we did it. Welcome to Outdoor Gear 411.
With Robbie and Adrian. So we were looking at our local Lowe's, and this stuff, it's a polywall utility panel. I'm hoping it's gonna be lightweight enough that we can just use Velcro around the edges and let the Velcro be what holds it up. That way it makes it super easy if we ever need to redo any insulation or wiring or anything behind it. We're gonna start with the biggest panel first because that's gonna tell us whether or not it's actually gonna hold up. I'm afraid it's gonna droop a little bit in the middle. We're about to find out. 49 3/4 inches right there. Man, that's 1 3/4 inches too long for being able to use 48 width. So definitely got to cut it long ways and definitely gonna take 3 pieces. 31 right there, 30 right there. So 49 3/4. I'm really kind of hoping I can cut it with scissors. Look at that. That's pretty daggone cool. You just need to kind of round these back corners just a little bit and see if it fits. I don't know how we're gonna hold it up there. Be about as flimsy as that, trying to put that insulation up there, but.
Guess you're doing the dead bug again?
I guess. We got to trim this back a little bit. It needs to fit about like that. Okay, let's take it back down.
Oh, but I just got comfortable.
I know, right? It really starts rounding in about right here. All right, I need you to remember these measurements. About 10 inches, 18 or 19 inches. It goes from 31 to 29 and a half. We'll go 19. And then this outside edge over here is actually gonna be 29 and a half. Around that 10-inch mark, it definitely goes faster. You understand the mission, right?
Like these are flat, and this kind of slowly goes.
Very slowly, yep.
And then
it starts taking a bigger turn
about
right there.
Yeah.
Hopefully this is gonna be strong enough to actually hold. Taking adhesive back to Velcro, and we're gonna run it down through this edge. Kind of see where it lines up. What?
Isn't like a half inch, 1/4 inch of that gonna stick out?
Oh yeah.
Take 2.
Good call. It's really only 1/4 inch, basically, like you were saying. So we're putting this Velcro on here because we know where we want this edge to be at. And then we can line it up and make sure, hopefully all the rest of it just magically fits based on the measurements that we've already used. And then secondarily, hopefully this Velcro is strong enough to hold this in place.
We're leaving a gap because of the way the ceiling is shaped. It's gonna overhang to meet the other piece.
And I think we can go pretty much down the sides, just not back here to the back, because we're gonna have to end up pulling it off if it doesn't actually fit. I'm just gonna go ahead and do all of the inside, because it's gotta be done eventually anyways. This will be epic if it actually works. I love this idea. I just don't know that it's actually gonna work.
Only one way to find out.
Nope, yeah, we're about to do that. Let's go see. Okay, I'm pretty well on mine. All right, so let's push this side out first over here. You get your end straight, and then I'll put my end up.
No, it's pretty close.
I'll be doggone if I don't think that might actually work. 23 1/4, let's say. 23 1/4.
Okie dokie. One of the main reasons we got this stuff is because it said it was waterproof, gonna be easy to clean. We're testing that out. Looks pretty easy to me. Time to install it. Guess you need to line that edge up. That's the main thing.
Pretty much, yep. I think that'll work, don't you?
That's pretty cool.
Look at that.
You can definitely see it sagging in the back.
Right there.
Yeah.
If we liquid nails thin piece of wood from here to here, then that would stay up.
Yeah. That's cool, huh?
I like it.
We
You think
can-
we ought to just go ahead and put a piece in that one in both of those so it makes sure it stays up good.
We decided as good as the ceiling looks over there where the fan is, where we could Velcro it in the middle, we're gonna put these boards up so we have something to Velcro to in the middle. We figure we're gonna have to go back and do it, add one to the back of the van. It didn't look too bad until we figured out how much better it looks when it's not droopy in the middle. Way to go, ceiling fan. Is that gonna work?
I think so.
What is this, 4 by 6, 4 by 8?
I can't believe how easy this stuff cuts. Man alive, it's hot out here, ain't it? Oh, let's wait till the hottest day of the year and then work outside. Temperatures are actually higher than they've ever been. Oh, let's go work outside. I might use this as countertop, Adrian.
It's only 98 degrees.
Basically hoping that extra adhesive just gives the Velcro backing just a little bit more. I definitely think adding some adhesive to this is gonna help. There we go. Let's go 25.
I got off the line a little bit. Good thing that's going up under the...
So the front edge up here is just gonna tuck up over that because this is actually stuck into what we've been putting the Velcro to. We're just gonna put it right up over there and let it hold it.
There you go.
Are you ready? Let's see what we can do here.
Now we gotta scooch it out this way though, make sure.
What do you think?
Pretty good.
Like we said, after we got the panel over the fan, we realized that the back one was gonna be too saggy, so we put in some wood blocks like we did under these. Today, we are gonna put our extra Velcro down and we're gonna put the last piece of ceiling panel in. The ceiling is done. We're pretty excited about it. We like our decision to go this route. Obviously it doesn't look perfect yet, but we're gonna put some LED light strips that will finish off those seams, so hopefully you won't see those. We really think it's gonna be pretty daggone cool. Let us know what you think. If you think it's cool or you think it's stupid. This has been a lot of fun. It's really hot out here today. We really appreciate you watching. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos, and it really helps us out a lot. If you like what we're doing, we really would appreciate that. Make sure you give us that thumbs up, share our videos with your friends, but most importantly, we appreciate you watching.